Today topic is decimals. We have learned to compare decimal numbers and also perform their addition and subtraction. Let us have a quick review of what we have studied. Fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 are called decimal numbers. See one example. Let us take 2735 divided by 100. Okay, is a fractional form of a decimal number is 27.35. The number 27.35 is written in the expand form as is nothing but, see here, 2 into this is the 1 and 10. So you have to put 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 in this one. Here you have to put plus 5 into 1 by 100. So this is the 10th place. This is the 100th place. Everybody clear this one? We have learnt that, see, 27.35, this is greater than 27.3. Okay, but see here, 27.35 is less than 27.36. Clear everybody? We have also come across situation where we have to add and subtract decimal numbers. For example, for adding and subtracting money or length or height or capacity, we use decimal numbers. Now see one problem. Write the expanded form of 373.509. Okay, see the solution. In this one you have to write 1, 10, 100. Okay, so in this problem you have to write this. This is the 300 plus this one is 70 plus this is 3. Clear? Plus next this is the 10th place. So 5 divided by 10. This is the 100th place. So 0 divided by 100. This one is 1000th place. So 9 divided by 1000. Everybody clear? This is the expanded form of 373.509. See the next one. 20.03. You have to take means. See here. This is 10th place. So directly you have to write 20 or otherwise 2 into 10. Clear? Plus then this one is 0 into 1. Okay, plus in this one is 0 into 1 by 10 plus in this value 3 into 1 by 100. That means you have to write 20 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 divided by 100. Everybody clear? Okay. Now you can see the third problem. 2.03. Okay. How can you write? This is the 1 place. That means 2 into 1. Plus in this one is 0 into 1 by 10. You have to put the bracket or otherwise directly you have to write in this one. Okay. Plus in this one 3 into 1 by 100 or otherwise you have to write 2 plus 0 plus 3 divided by 100. Clear? See the next one. 200.03. How can you write in this one? See here, 2 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus this 0 into 1 plus this one 0 into 1 by 10 plus in this value 3 into 1 by 100. Clear? See, you have to write 200 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 divided by 100. Now we see the next problem. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. See here, the given question is 3.102, 0.321, next 30.032, 0.032, 1.32, 3.21. Now you have to arrange the ascending order. See here, the first you have to see here 0.032. So ascending order means smallest number to greatest number. So which one is the smallest number? In this one. So first you have to write in this value 0.032. What is the next one? Any other 0 point is there? Yeah, here. So in this value you can write 0.321. The next, see here 1 point. So the third value is 1.32. The next, this is 3.1. Here 3.2. So this value you have to write 3.102. The next one is 3.21. The final value, see here 30.032. This is the ascending order for the given problem. See the next one. Write the place value of 5 in the following decimal numbers. See here the first question, 51.73. See what is the place value of 5? See here, this is, you have to write 50, right? The next one, 573.1. See what is the place value of 5? 500. The next, 0.573. What is the place value of in this 5? Here 5 divided by 10. Clear? Next, 31.75. In this 5, what place? You have to write 5 divided by 100. Okay. The next one, 7.135. What is the place value of 5? See here, you have to write 5 divided by 1000. Everybody clear? The next problem, express the following in rupees using decimals. See the first one, 50 paise. How can you write in rupees for in this one? See here, 50 paise means you have to write rupees 0.5, right? See the next one. Next, 5 paise. 5 paise means you have to write rupees 0.05, right? The next, 5 rupees 5 paise. How can you write in this one? 5 rupees. Okay. 5 paise means already you have to write 0.05. So you can put 0.05. Everybody clear? The next one. C. D. 550 paise. See in this one you can write rupees 5.50. Clear? The next one, 555 paise. In this one, rupees 5.55. Everybody clear in this one? Next we see multiplication of decimal numbers. See here, we can find the product of 32 divided by 10 and 6. Okay, see how can you write in this one is 32 divided by 10 into, because of the multiple, the product, the product, so you have to write 32 by 10 into 6. See, you have to multiply the numerator, 32 into 6 divided by 10. 32 into 6 is nothing but 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1 19 divided by 10. See here you can write 19.2. Everybody clear? See, similarly you can see the next one, 8.75 into 4. Okay, see here in this one you can write 8.75 is nothing but 8 divided by, you have to write 75 also, 875 divided by 100 into 4. See, you can multiply the numerator, 875 into 4 divided by 100. Okay, see, 5 4s are 20, remainder 2, 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30, remainder 3, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 3 35. See, 3500 divided by 100. Here you can cancel the 0 0, you will get 35. Everybody clear? See the next one, 0.3 and 0.4. Now see here, 0.3 into 0.4, which is equal to, in this one can be written as 3 by 10 into, in this one, 4 divided by 10. See here, what will you get? You have to multiple the numerator divided by multiple the denominator. See here, 12 divided by 100. So you can write 0.12. Clear? See the one more example. Zero 0.2 into 0.1 into 0.3. Okay, see, you have to write 2 divided by 10 into 1 by 10 into 3 by 10. So you can multiple the numerator, 2 into 1 into 3 divided by multiple the denominator, 10 into 10 into 10. So you will get 2 into 1 2, 2 into 3 6 divided by 1000. Clear? See here, 1000th place. So you can write 0. This is 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. So this is the answer. Everybody clear in this one? See here, once again I tell you, see, find the product of 0.3 and 0.4. Means we first find the product of 3 and 4. Okay, va? See, what is 3 into 4? 12. Okay, so the product of 3 and 4 is 12. Now we add the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the numbers that are multiplied. That is 0.3 and 0.4, which is, see here, this is 1, here also 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Clear? Now we put the decimal point after 2 digits starting from the rightmost place of the number 12. See, here put the decimal point after 2 digits. Okay, ma'am. So after 2 digits starting from the rightmost place of the number 12. So the product is 0.12. Everybody clear this one? Okay. See, similarly 0.2 into 0.1 into 0.3. The answer is 0.006. Here we should put the decimal point after 3 digit from the rightmost place. Because see here, this is 1, 2, 3. You can add the place 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Therefore, we should put a decimal point after 3 digits from the rightmost place. Everybody clear in this decimal multiplication concept? Now we see some example problem. See here, find 0.3 into 6. Okay, that means find the product. See here, first in this one, 6 into 3, 18. Here, how many digits for in that one? 0.3, only 1. So, rightmost 1. So, here you can put 1.8. Everybody clear? See the next one. Find 0.4 into 7. First you have to multiple in this one. 4 into 7, 28 you have to write. Next see here, 0.4 only is here. So only one term. So you have to put the dot rightmost term in this one. Okay, 2.8. Clear? See the third one. 11.34 into 2. Okay, see, first you have to multiple in this one. 1134 into 2. What is the value? 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 2 2. See here 0.34, 2 digit is here. So here you can put the point 2 digit, put in this place. So what is your answer? 22.68. Everybody clear in this problem?